at La Florentina. We're here, guys. How are you guys? We're here. Good morning, princess. We're here
to celebrate your birthday. Hey, we're here at La Florentina. Let's go check first our... Ayan, so pagdating, ito yung ticketing office. Ayan. So dito tayo magbabayad at mag-check ng check-in. Ayan, so dito yung ticket office. Ticket office. Ayan, ticketing office. Pagkatapos punta sa ticketing office, may ticket, and then papasok na tayo dito sa resort. Diyan. Tapos ito, pag marami kayong bagahe, ayan, pwede siyang ilagay dito para makapunta kayo sa hotel. So, maya gamitin namin yan. Nice. Pasok tayo.
Apat lang pa siya dito.
So ito yung smaller.
Kung dalawang ganito. Ay, ano ba yung green?
Yung isa daw malaki, yung
dalawa po, dalawang. Kung doon po tayo sa baba, sa family room, additional ano lang po, sa 600 ang isang extra. Mas makakababa po.
Okay.
Tara pa.
1, 2. Yan, kami ay pupunta na sa main pool. At magtakbuhan dito, no?
Mas malaki po. Yes, Andre ko lang po naman. Yes, okay naman. Nakatama na.
Oh, you want this better? Are you gonna swim? Oh, go! Swim ka na! Wow!
Yung goggles mo, baby.
So our room is in front, 2 pools, and then there are a lot more pools, so we're gonna check them out.
Okay. What are these 2 pools?
Kiddie pool.
Kiddie pool and then
Deep pool.
and a deep pool. But then we're going to check the other pools, right?
Yeah.
Lead us the way.
There's a playground here, and then those are the other 2 pools.
Where? Okay, let's go. Yeah, so this is La Florentina Resort. Okay.
So there are 3 pools here.
Yeah.
I think that one is a kiddie, and then that one and that one. And that's
So there's the kiddie pool. This is an adult pool. Is that deep, Lalite?
Yeah.
Oh, it's deep.
This is La Florentina.
La Florentina. So let's go check out the kiddie pool. Ayan, so naikot na namin yung mga pool. So dito muna kami magstay sa kiddie pool. Ayan, nice. So tatambay kami dito. Yan. Alright, swimming time!
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Lingi na. Lingi na sila. I thought you're supposed to play in the pool. Ah, I know. I'm holding something. Swim.
Slide the ball! Slide the ball!
Go, Iris! You like it? Will it tilt na? Oh no, there! Ah, it's not a lot. Oh, is this the crocodile, Iris? You wanna ride the crocodile?
I have something. I can ride it on my
Oh, careful!
Come on, let's ride. Follow the leader. Go, follow the leader.
Ride, ride! Careful, Iris!
Okay, go leader, go. We'll follow you. What's the next step? Like this down, like this.
Oh, like that.
Like this.
And then, what's next? Oh, what's the next step?
We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're
Malayo mo, mama.
Go, Irish kick.
Happy birthday, Iris!
on top of the world.
Okay. Swimming na rin ako. Is it warm? Malamig? Warm. Ayan, dito ako swim naman. Andun lang siya sa kabila nun. So, dito kami sa kabila. Come on, Mami! Wow! Magsiswim yung little girl.
Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Yan. Dinner time na dahil nagutom na kami lahat. Eating time. Are you hungry, boys? O, tingnan mo si Lalay. Cupcake? You like that cupcake?
Yeah.
Delicious? Ayan. So, actually, baon namin yung handa ni Iris kanina. Ayan.
Birthday.
What's that?
Magic.
Magic. Instant.
For smaller things.
And
I
then,
want to
cupcake,
use some here.
pasta. And Iris is here. Success? Yeah? And it's our day 2. Tapos dahil yung pool nandito lang siya sa labas, ayan, kita na natin yung kids naglalaro na agad. Swimming na sila sa pool. Swim na sila agad. Hi kids! Alright, liguan time na. Yan, naliligo na sila. So yung maganda dito, kahit gabi, tsaka or umaga, mainit yung tubig. So warm yung water. So masarap lumublob. So lulublob na ako. Hi Iris! Yan, nakalangoy na sila agad kasi warm daw yung tubig. Actually, warm nga ng tubig. So masarap lumangoy. Hi Iris! How are you? Slowly lang. Kailan? Kay mami. Yeah, like that, like that. Go. Go. Okay, straight. Straight na, lalampas na. Okay, go. And then left. Oops, oops. Okay, good. Delivery boys. Right. Can do it. Push. Push. Alright, right.